I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything.
My favorite thing about St. Joseph's School is that we are such a big family.
I get to have the students for math class for 4 years. I really get to know the students and their families very well.
I like the small class sizes.
That we get to learn about God and that the teachers are really nice here.
Playing and helping. I like help and doing really nice things. Like how all the teachers are really nice, how they help us.
Our favorite thing of St. Joe's School is all the fun activities.
It's the best school.